Artoonza.
Hey there, hair salon heroes and glamour gurus. Are you ready to draw the ultimate salon dream team? That's right. Today, we're creating a comb, scissors, and hairdryer so fabulous, they might open their own salon and charge you just for looking at them. Just kidding. They're stuck to your paper. We're getting messy with glitter that sparkles brighter than my future, acrylic paints in purple, pink, and yellow that look good enough to eat. Please don't eat them. And a teeny tiny vacuum cleaner that thinks it's saving the world one glitter speck at a time.
Aww, so cute.
This masterpiece is going to be so stunning, it could make even Rapunzel jealous. Give us a big thumbs up. Get your black markers ready for some epic outlining, prepare those paint droppers for a color party on your paper, and grab your brushes because we're about to create salon art that's absolutely sheer perfection. Let's draw, color, glitter, and paint our way to some seriously hair-raising awesomeness together. It's time to make magic happen. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. All right, it's purple paint time. Watch these magical drops fall like tiny purple rain from our paint dropper. Splash, splash, splash. Now grab those brushes and start spreading this royal color everywhere. We're painting our comb, scissors, and hairdryer with the fanciest purple in the universe. It's so fancy, even royalty would be jealous. Look at that gorgeous purple taking over like it owns the place. Because honestly, it kind of does. Keep brushing, keep swirling, make it perfect. Our salon tools are getting their first layer of fabulousness, and they're loving every second of it. This purple is prettier than a unicorn's dreams.
Aww, so cute.
Give us your like. Oh, wait, did you think we were done? Plot twist. Now comes the pink power. Drop, drop, drop. Those pretty pink paint drops all over our purple masterpiece. Yes, we're mixing colors like total art rebels, and it's going to look absolutely stunning. Grab your brushes again, because we're about to create magic. Pink on purple? That's what I call a color party on paper. Watch how the pink dances with the purple, creating the most beautiful salon tools you've ever seen. Keep painting, keep creating, make every stroke count. Our comb is getting pinker, our scissors are blushing with beauty, and our hairdryer is basically glowing with gorgeousness. This is what our dreams are made of. The pink is so pretty, even flamingos are taking notes. We're not just coloring. We're creating a masterpiece that could hang in a fancy museum. Okay, maybe not a museum, but definitely on your fridge.
Aww, so cute.
Smash that like button now. Final touch time, Sunshine Squad. We're dropping sunny yellow paint drops on our scissors and hairdryer only. Why? Because we're fancy artists who make fancy decisions. Drop those yellow drops and watch them shine brighter than your smile. Now brush, brush, brush that yellow magic everywhere. Look at how the yellow, pink, and purple are becoming best friends on paper. It's like a rainbow exploded, but in the best way possible. Our scissors and hairdryer are officially the coolest salon tools in the whole universe. They're so colorful and sparkly, they might just start doing hair themselves. And we're done.
Wow!
High five yourself, because you just created salon art that's absolutely spectacular. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.